and we're going to church. It's church time. It's a Sunday. Am I gonna pray? Maybe. I don't know. I haven't been to church in like 2 years since I moved out of home. It's very pretty. That is one pretty organ.
It's a shame they don't know how to use it.
Okay. Calm down. So you made your wishes?
Church wish?
Yeah. Did you make your wish? Did you make your wish? I made my wish. I'm good. Well, pray. I prayed. Are you proud of me? She's proud of me. She's proud. She's happy I went to church. Headed to Granville. I'm gonna go get a stamp. Hopefully the guy is there. If they're open, if he's there.
The what?
The stamp engraver that I got last time. So, stamps, mama, stamps. Yes, like a traditional stone carved stamp. I want to get one.
This is the main one.
Oh, yeah. Nice.
Right headland is the main one.
Yes. Oh, it's so bright and sunny today. No, it's here.
It's connected.
I don't think I've ever
We haven't
been
come here
here.
on a weekday in a while.
Weekend.
Weekend.
It's like
We haven't come here
super
on a
busy.
weekend in a while.
And look, it's Ellie's favorite store. Labby's. It's her favorite cannoli store. 5 bakeries in Paris, and this is the best cannelles she's ever had. Yeah, I got the almond one. Whoa, where is it? There it is. So yes, now we're gonna go get my stamp. Well, maybe after eating. Yes, it definitely has dairy in it.
If I was being real bougie, I'd fly them in every week.
Oh, I used to hate marzipan, but now I love it.
You like marzipan?
Fucking love marzipan now. I'm an adult. I can like stuff again.
I still don't like marzipan.
Okay, so my stamp carver guy is not in the spot where he's supposed to be, which is usually here. But we asked information and they said that he could be anywhere. So that's very helpful. We're gonna find out. He could be here, he could not be here, so. Anywhere. Could be anywhere. Ah, that way! I found these pretty ones. It's in a different store, but it's not the carver person that I'm looking for. But it's a nice, cute store. There are a lot of birds above us.
Migrating, I guess. I don't know.
Wow.
No, it's all crows.
Crows?
Those are crows. They're all black.
A lot.
There's a lot of crows.
The one thing about traveling that I do not like, the packing after the trip is finally done. Like the last trip is ago when we went on our flight from Hong Kong to Vancouver. That was actually like 2.5 kilos, but the flight attendant didn't say anything. And WestJet allowance is only 23, so I have to move stuff into my sister's luggage and possibly my brother's luggage, so it can be under 23, or I think it's 22. I don't actually remember. But a bunch of stuff in my bag as well that it's easier to just fold and arrange than I just like taking everything out and then I'll fold everything and arrange it properly. But I don't think I bought a lot on this trip. Maybe I did. Never mind. Okay, so I'm pretty much packed. I just have maybe one thing. My jacket that I got from Nepal. I'm gonna give to my sister. That's my clothes I'm gonna wear tomorrow. And I just have my hand carry. And yeah, that's it. I don't know how much my stuff weighs yet, but I guess that's something for tomorrow. Okay, bye.